Well, hey, welcome back, everybody. I know it's been a super long time, but I'm finally back on the page. I'm actually in North Dakota today. I have one day here where I had to come back, repair some things before I go back up to Red Lake, do some guiding, house rentals. But I'm actually going out fishing today, so let's check it out. Come on.
Okay, so that's my little fishing one-man setup. I just want to give a big thank you right now to one of my sponsors, Stephen Lip, Country Financial. I have a lot of nice stuff here, and I wouldn't be able to do these trips without him, so big shout out to him. Let's get on the ice. I think I need to put a smaller crank on. These fish are pretty scared of this big Wonder Bread. It definitely draws their attention. It's just too big. So I decided to switch up my tactic a bit. I haven't seen a fish in quite a while, so I decided to put on this big Wonder Bread rattle bait crank. And right away I had a big perch come in. He tried to bite it twice, couldn't quite get it down, but I'm going to keep tossing this thing around, making some good noise, see if we can't get some more of them big perch to come in. Finally. Oh no! Oh, dude. These fish, man, they're not attacking my bait, they're hardly opening their mouth. And none of them will even get the hook in their mouth. They're great fish, but I just can't get a good hook set in any of these guys. But I've seen so many perch today, so many big perch, but like I said, they just haven't opened their lips. They haven't been able to bite my hook. Super soft lipped. I don't know what to try here. I might go, if I had wax worms, I might try plastics even, just to get smaller bait presentation. Oh, here it comes. It's coming right now.
This thing's still too big for this perch. This is a massive perch.
He just made a huge cloud of dust. I dropped my hook right in his back, scared him away, so. Those aren't really the fish I want. I want these aggressive fish. I had that one big perch come in, he just smacked me. That's exactly what I'm looking for, but not a lot of these fish want to do that today. So another thing I've been doing since I've made my bait change from big to small, to get these fish to come in, since they're not just consistently here, I've been banging mud. Banging mud's what I call it. It's stirring up the bottom, getting that gravel or that mud or sand, whatever's down there, and just kind of stirring it up, make it look like there's a feeding frenzy. And that's what I'm using to call in these fish, since I don't have those big rattle baits, these big, loud, attractive baits right now. But the fish have been coming in fine. I just haven't been getting them to bite. So we'll see how it goes.
Got my first fish of the day. Oh, there he goes. Shoot. Another one bites the dust. Can't get a good hook set in these bad boys. Oh, this is a big one. This one I'm definitely getting. Oh boy. Check out that one, you guys. This dude just attacked me.
at that, dude. Big one. Big one. Get him up. Yep. I'm going to measure him real quick and then I'm going to toss him back down. I'm not going to keep fish today, but there's my first one of the day. Took me a while. I just put a tail on this coffin because they couldn't eat these full minnows. This dude just attacked me. Finally a fish that was hungry to eat. That's a good 12-inch perch right there. He's waving goodbye. One more bite. I spit it. He didn't quite get the whole hook. Shoot. Ooh. Try again, bud. I need some walleyes to come through. Some aggressive fish. This dude's pretty aggressive here. There's a big old pike right behind him. Wow. Look at that. That pike's on him. I just had a pike come in. I was just about to catch a perch and he just spit my stuff and ran. And that pike took off right after him. Didn't even look at my baits. Thank God. If I had wood, I'd knock on it just so he doesn't come back. Oh, and look at that. Just when I say that, guess what I caught? Behemoth. Absolute behemoth of a perch. This dude just attacked me out of nowhere. He's awesome. It's a big perch. You right there? He's hungry. Came in hot and heavy, like he should. He's very other than I have. Give him a foot. Look at that one, 12 inch. Good another 12 inch perch. Well, I missed that one on this camera here, but this big boy came in and just attacked me again. These big perch are definitely really active, but the smaller ones are just not doing it today. Yeah, this dude just came and smoked me. I missed it on that cam, but I got a little bit on my head. I guess we'll see what we got. It's a nice fish. Back to the resource. Bye-bye. Buttoned him up pretty good. This is a smaller perch though. This dude came in pretty aggressive. Very aggressive actually, but he's very small. As you can see, this dude's tiny. He's another back to the resource. Well, just missed that one on camera again. Luckily, it was just another little guy, so. Nice little perch. Back to the resource. Bye, buddy. So I just had a Mongo perch come in. Just missed my hook, and then he left right away. I had no clue why. I looked down and I just got smoked by another pike. Luckily, he got off as soon as he touched my bait. So I reeled it up. My camera died, so I put a new battery in that, and now I'm back fishing. Oh, this is a big one, you guys. This is a nice perch here. Oh yeah. Check out that beauty. That's a toad. Absolute toad. Just smoked it too. Smashed it. Go scale on this guy real quick. Go scale on this guy real quick, see what he is. $11.5 for that guy, not bad. Got him. Button. Woo! Look I'm not all that super hungry, to be honest with you. I was like saying to me, stinky. Yep, doubled. These things ain't gonna work. They're just like seeing that new bait fall down. That's pretty cool though. No, I'm getting on them. Small fish, but getting on them nonetheless. Well, guys, I know I haven't caught too many fish, but I've only been on here for about 3 hours. It's time for me to go. Hit that subscribe button below. I'm headed back to Red Lake. I got some rental houses and some guiding to do, but stay tuned. So, yeah, check out the Facebook, Instagram, Wynn Wildlife, YouTube, of course. But here we are. We'll see you on the next one.